Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make the white color, lemon yellow color, Persian blue color, brush, water, and that's it. One part of lemon yellow color, and make it teal color. Now take two parts of white color. So here is a mint green color ready. Let's apply it. The first method to make mint green color is ready. Now it's turn for the second method. So the second method is very easy. For this we need only two colors, one part of the dark green color and two parts of the white color. I have already applied the white color one part, and now I'm taking the second and putting it, and then just mix it very well, and your mint green color is ready. And just like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.